Hi everyone! Today we're going to make refreshing and healthy dragon fruit juice. It's super easy to do at home. Let's get started. Ingredients. Needed: 1 dragon fruit, red or white, depending on your preference. 200 milliliters of cold water, ice cubes as needed. Steps. Prepare the dragon fruit. First, let's prepare the dragon fruit. Peel the skin to reveal the flesh. Then, cut the flesh into small pieces to make it easier to blend. Prepare the blender. Place the dragon fruit pieces into the blender. If you prefer a creamier texture, you can also add some sweetened condensed milk or yogurt. Add liquid. Pour in 200 milliliters of cold water or coconut water. This will give the juice a smoother consistency and a fresher taste. But if the dragon fruit is already sweet enough, you can skip this step. Add ice cubes. Add some ice cubes to make the juice extra cold and refreshing. Blend the ingredients. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. This usually takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your blender. Add a squeeze of lime, optional. For an extra zing, you can squeeze in some lime or lemon juice before giving it a final mix. Serve. Pour the juice into a serving glass. Add a few more ice cubes if you like, and garnish with a slice of lime or a sprig of mint for a touch of elegance. Closing. And there you have it. Your dragon fruit juice is ready to enjoy. Super simple, right?